Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to convert MBR to GPT when installing Windows. First, you must have the tools required: a Windows computer, USB or CD or external disk drive, and Windows installation media. If you install Windows using USB on the first boot screen, use the shortcut to boot option to go to the installation window. Press the key combination Shift and F10 to open the CMD command. Enter the disk part command and press enter. Continue entering the list disk command and press enter. After determining which hard drive needs to be converted from MBR to GPT, enter the following command and press enter. In this example, we will convert the format for disk 0. Next, enter the clean command and press enter to wipe the data. Type the following command and press enter to start the hard drive formatting process. Disk part will erase all partitions on your disk and then convert them to GPT. Once the conversion process is finished, you can return to the Windows setup screen using the new GPT disk to create partitions and install the new Windows system without encountering any problems.